Look at my face. Look at this clean bit. See how happy I am. Look at my lips. See how blended it looks. Anyway, I know you would want me to show you how I did this beautiful makeup. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a no makeup look today. If you know what that means that I'm going to be, doing a makeup that seems like I'm not wearing any makeup, or it just seems like I'm wearing minimal makeup. And for that, I'm going to be needing my color, like the shade of my foundation. After applying that to my face, I'm going to be wearing two shades of concealer, a warmer tone at the outer corners of my eyes, while I use a lighter tone at the inner corners of my eyes. That is because I want it to pop. I have a hollow eyes, under eye rather, so it always look really deep. So I would like to, fill it up with my concealer and cover it up so that the first glance you take at me, you will not be able to see that hollow under my eyes. All right, so you do that for your forehead as well as your chin. Okay, yeah, the areas where you want to pop and the bridge of your nose, the areas where you want them to pop out, you're going to highlight it. All right, so I'll be going in with another layer of my highlighter. That's the lighter shade of concealer, because I really want to fill in that hollow, that deep eye, under eye. And to an extent, yeah, I like the way it looks now, you know so for my contour, I'm going to be using a darker shade of concealer. Just a little goes a long way. So I'm going to be dropping just 3 dots on my cheekbone, because I feel like I have a wider face, so I would like to contour that chin and that cheekbone area. I want it to look a little like more, I want it to look slim. I want it to look slimmer. Okay, so if you just take a glance at me, or you take a glance at my face, that area will look slimmer and smaller. So guys, I also want you to give that the side of my forehead that illusion that it looks smaller. So anywhere you want it to look smaller, you contour, and anywhere you want it to be bold, you highlight. All right, so I'll just take what's left in my brush and contour my jawline, because I want it to appear a little bit more V in shape. And then I'll do the same for my nose. Okay, I already know that I have a small and pointy nose, but I just want it to look a little bit more pointy and a little bit more elongated. That's the reason why I'm taking my contour to the bridge of my eyes, like the inner corners of my eyes, because I want my nose to look a little more elongated and pointy. All right, so if you notice something I'm doing, I am blending a lot after applying my product. That is one of the golden rule in makeup. You need to blend. Everything is all about your blending ability. It's not just about using makeup, but just know how to blend properly, so there won't be any harsh lines in between. All right, so I'll be using this V palette, and I'll be using this very warm shade of powder, because I don't want any harsh lines in between my foundation, my concealer, and my contour. All right, so make sure that once you dip your brush into your powder palette, you have to brush off the excess, just like as I'm doing. Brush it off to give it that seamless look. All right, so I'm using this warm tone to really blend everything, because I don't want like fine lines and harsh lines. Like I said, I really want a no makeup look today. So I am going to blend. What did I say? blend, blend, blend. Then for my highlight under my eyes, I'm going to be using this lighter shade. All right, this lighter shade is splendid and just perfect for my complexion. Okay, so I'm going to be using this just to cover up and seal up all my concealer. And you guys, it is perfect, perfect, perfect for my skin tone. I'll be using the same shade for my chin and my forehead. So for my contour, I'll just use the darker shade on the palette, like the darkest shade on the palette. All right, I'm going to just top up where I had contoured with my darker concealer. All right, I'll just top it up because I had used the concealer, so it's not going to be really difficult to contour your face. So contour every area you want to look a little bit smaller and a little bit more elongated. Contour those areas, just like your chin, your cheekbone, and the side of your forehead. All right, so I really do not need to enhance my brows because I already have a very full brow, but just for the sake of unifying everything and making sure that everywhere is filled up, I'll have to use this brown eye pencil. All right, so after that, I'll use a warm tone of concealer for my underbrow. Why? Because I don't want it to be really shouty. Remember that I am doing makeup look for today, so I just use whatever is left of my brush on top of my eyebrow. So for my brow, just for it to stand out, I'm going to use this little brush to just brush everything up. I just want the strands to be individual, just to be just to stand out. So I'm going to use this brush on my brows. As you can see, I just want them to stand out. So for my lippy, I'm going starting off with this lippy just to make my lip smooth and creamy. Then same thing applies to your lippy. I'm going to use a lighter shade of lip gloss and a darker shade of lip gloss just to give it that contrast. So after using the lighter shade of my lip gloss, the nude lips, I'm going to use a darker shade just to line my lips because I like a well-defined lips and I don't want that so many color and that contrast thing going on. So I'm going to use a darker lip gloss and blend as much as I can. Blend, blend, blend. All right, the theme of my makeup is blend. Blend so you don't see any harsh lines or any fine lines in your makeup. And I'm all set, I'm all done. Can you see this? Like, this is the perfect no makeup look. See the beats? Oh my god, this is a work of art. I must confess, this is a work of art. Can you see this? This is perfect for an everyday look, like a content creation look. Look at the lip, look at the lippy. This is cute. All right, this is cute, you guys. See me, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I'm able to pull this up. How many times they go tell the person, hey, Shaman. Like, I was so happy.
Popsy said we should dance.
And that is why I was happy.